Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about internet computer, trying my absolute best to fulfill, all the requests from the internet computer family, and I'm going to try my absolute best, guys. So, I really need you guys to show the support by smashing that like button and hitting that red subscribe button because it does go a long way. But anyhow, if you're looking at the market going into Tuesday morning, the continuation of the green is still holding right now, which is of course really, really nice to see. Bitcoin actually retesting the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level earlier Monday, but obviously we saw a little bit of a rejection. But altcoins are definitely feeling the love right now. If you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, ICP is up 3.5% as well as over the past 24 hours. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening, and of course what are some targets that we could be looking out for. So the price is currently sitting at $7.74, also up 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 3.65 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at $80 million. So let's pull out the charts. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. And again, if you do watch my other updates, you guys might have seen this, but if you only watch solely the internet computer updates, focus on this, guys. Look exactly what's happening. Something that we've been talking about over the past 1 month, actually, pretty much has been playing out. So you could see the dominance is picking up traction once again. And the way it's picking up right now, would not be surprised if it actually fills this wick up at 57.4% and potentially start hitting towards a new yearly high. You've heard that correct. And again, a new yearly high obviously would not be a surprise. And as Bitcoin starts getting back into the 23.6, especially above some key levels, approaching that 70k mark. And again, it's obviously very early to talk about that, but if Bitcoin is able to reclaim above 64,000, which is a confirmation level for myself, these conversations start. And can Bitcoin actually make a move towards all-time high, leading into the election itself? That's the prediction that's going around. A lot of people think yes. A lot of people are projecting that Bitcoin or crypto, depending on how the FOMC meeting goes, number one. But after the FOMC meeting, a lot of projections going on, speculation that market is going to start picking up traction going into Q4 of the year of 2024, which again tends to be the most bullish time, and leading to the election itself. Some people are saying if the election goes depending on the candidate that supports crypto, we could see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Again, these are speculations at the end of the day, but I would love to know your thoughts down below in the comments. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with internet computers. So I'm sure a lot of people are probably wondering, why is internet computer not actually making a move towards the upside right now, considering it has been pretty much holding a really nice ground. And I spoke about this over the last two updates with you guys. Pretty much it has found a very impressive ground for itself, and even with high amounts of volatility within the crypto markets, the way ICP held speaks for itself right now. But you have seen a bounce. And again, just to give you guys a reminder, if you picked up ICP at the $6.68 mark, you are up about 15.35%. And again, some trolls are going to come out and say that's nothing, but 15.35% is a gain at the end of the day. And, that's nice to see. So, what we're starting to see is, internet computer did make its way up to $7.88, but you can really see where it's kind of getting stopped out at some key resistance. And on top of that, the volume is kind of low right now. But what I want you guys to understand is take a very close look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pushes up to that 64 level, which I'm speaking about, again, that's a move of about 12.5%. Usually altcoins tend to do double. And again, let's just consider that, it does double. Doesn't necessarily mean it would. Usually in the past, we do tend to see altcoins, outpacing Bitcoin, even with Bitcoin momentum more on BTC side. But if we were to see a double, where does that really put the price of internet computer? That literally puts it almost at that key resistance, which I have spoken to you guys about over the course of the last update. So pretty much the target remains to be the same right now. We might, see a little bit of rejection around this case where we currently are, but pretty much the next major resistance in in my opinion, is around the $8.49. And again, if that is able to break out, off we go to that key resistance, and then the rest I think will go from there. But so far so good. I'm liking the setup. Before anyone comes out and makes any sort of negative comments, internet computer this, internet computer that, if you're looking at your portfolio and internet computer is the only coin, and this goes by with anything, if one coin is the only thing that you're holding in your crypto portfolio, then you're doing something completely wrong. You want to diversify your portfolio, and I cannot stress this enough. Reason why I continuously emphasize that is because there's some projects in the space that actually outpace certain projects even when the market becomes bullish. So you want to maximize that potential of growth that you will see. If you're an internet computer long-term holder, maybe you can allocate those gains into ICP. But that's how I take a look at it. But I'm very optimistic that internet computer will be a huge shocker once it starts retesting this key resistance, because right now, believe it or not a lot of people think this will even occur. But just last year around this time, ICP was sitting at about $2 something, and if you bought it back then, which believe it or not a lot of people did, they are still up about 155%. So you take it how you want to take it, but let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.